Me to play, but there's something about you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about a simple project in JavaScript, a digital clock. Alright, so I'll be creating many projects in this playlist, so please make sure you watch all of them. The first project is going to be very simple, and maybe 9th or 10th project is going to be teaching you guys little advanced concept in JavaScript.
But there's something about
Let's create a new HTML file and add a div element. Give an ID of clock. We will use this div element to display the current time. We can select the clock div using document.getElementById. We will also create a function that gets a current time using the date object and format it into hours, minutes and seconds. Now if you want to print the time, you can use this literals, which is basically the backticks, and print the time. Now to display the time on the web page, you have to use inner HTML to display the time on the page. Now that we have our function, we can call it every second using setInterval method and update the content of the clock div with the formatted time using inner HTML property. And that's it. That's a simple program you just completed in JavaScript. With just a few lines of code, we have created a simple digital clock using JavaScript. Of course, you can customize the clock further with additional CSS styling or JavaScript.
me to play, but there's something